All right, Hawk. The moment everyone's been waiting for. Everyone's gonna ask, why did you trade in the 883 for this bad boy? What's up, guys? This is your boy FastLaneD, and today we got Ivy out. It's been a little bit, but we're about to go meet up with my boy Hawk and then one of his buddies. And guess what? Hawk traded in the 883. So I'm looking forward to going and seeing his new bike. I've not seen it in person yet, but it has been over a month since I've ridden Ivy. So I'm excited to get this cold start going, baby. You better start for me. She started, but you can tell she's a little salty. It's been a while. Ivy, I'm sorry, girl. I love you. You're so dirty. Oh my gosh. Look at that booty, baby. Oh. All right, let's cue that intro, baby. Woo! Look at that big old juicy booty in the back, baby. Oh, it's good to be back on you, girl. I miss you. After that trip to the tail, I've had so much R1 content that I really haven't gotten on the V-Rod. And tires feel like trash. Brakes feel like trash. This pedal's moving around on me down here, but I'm still as happy as I can be on this thing, man. Oh, I love this V-Rod. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Someone come get this man, bro. Someone come get this man. Oh, we got a little Gixxer? A little Gixxer 1000? Wow. Oh, this man really traded in the iron. Dang. Man, I like those lights. Those are cool. Chrome with the black and the black pipes. What up, Hawks? You doing all right? Oh my God, he's gotten huge. What's up, baby? You doing all right? Good to see you.
You doing all right?
Good, good, good. Oh my goodness. Dang, look at you. Big old baby.
Boy, this is my boy Aaron. Nice to meet you, bro.
Aaron, nice to meet you, dog. Bear. Look at him. Holy 6 months old. Dang, this thing is sweet though, man. Wow. You didn't like the matte black?
Nah, man, this right here is clean.
What is this? Those two gas tanks?
This is the gas tank right here.
Okay.
This is like decorated. Back,
I'm about to say, what the? I ain't never seen that before. Wow. Great pipe. Woo! Nah, that thing, especially for stock, that thing's dope. We got man Aaron here on the Gixxer 1000. Ivy, I'm sorry I showed up to ride you dirty as hell. Woo! Yes, sir. Already acting a fool, man. He ain't gonna let us leave him no more. This man on one, bro. He really taking off. way though, you know what I'm saying? Like people try and skip that beginning step and just go straight to a bike like this versus learning on a smaller bike. So I tell people it's worth it, man. Like he maybe lost like 200 bucks, 300 bucks when he traded the other one in for this. So he good, man, he good. But yeah, we got the boys out, baby. Let's go. We got the Sunday fun day. The two Harleys with the sport bike. They can all get along. They can definitely get along. And we got the Popo. He's probably, what's this dude doing? Look at him, look at him, look at him. Bro, he's eating this up right now. I'm dead. Oh, we coming up on the Popo. I don't need any more exposure to the Popo. If you saw the video I posted last week, you know, that's all I need to say. Comment down below though, what do y'all think of Hawk's new bike? You think he should have went with one of the big old baggers? Or you think it's a good compromise? I think his brother has a big old bagger, and his brother was giving him hell about his 883. So that's why he ended up selling it. So those of you that were hating in the comments like, the 883 is plenty of power, they got super sensitive over my comments. You have the owner here himself that traded it in after he had it for what, like maybe 2-3 months? He was ready for the upgrade. That's fine. I mean, that's why there's different bikes for different people. This bike definitely suits Hawk a lot better though. I'll give him that. Q3 is going way slower than it really needs to be going. That cop's like, yes, finally. It's like the awkward moment, like, do we keep up with the cop? Or do we let him get way ahead of us? I don't know. It's 35 and we're going about 60 right now, so yeah, there's that. But I'm toyed with the idea of if I were to add a cruiser to the fleet in the future, what would I add? And I really don't know. Like the electric motorcycle is cool, and I'm all about saving the earth, renewable energy, and less fossil fuels and all that jazz, but I just can't imagine riding a bike without the sound of a motor. That's what makes me fall in love with my bikes. And that's what I love about this V-Rod. Like, it's just piercingly loud. Definitely feel like that takes away from the experience. And I've always said this, that Tesla's cool. Like, it's all, their cars are cool. I don't know if I would ever buy one. As a carb guy, these tires are so bad. I've always said that those kind of things were better suited for tech people, not car people. Okay, Ivy, I see you taking the turns, you dirty girl, you. Oh, my knee. Oh my God. That truck just threw the biggest rock at my knee. Wow. And we've made it to the Ferry. My OG subscribers will recognize this. They turn around. That is awesome. Imagine being able to go out with your wife on the bikes. Like, that would be really cool. But these things are so bald. I can't wait. Tuesday, I'm taking it in to get new tires.
I think you got track tires on there.
It looks like it. Slick. On the Ferry we go. Oh, this is a drug-free workplace. Nice. Woo, we on the Ferry, baby. Let's go. We're going, man. Ooh, we got the fat boys out, man. How's it going? Oh, this bike, man. Like, what more could you ask for? It's comfortable, it's got the power, it sounds phenomenal. That fat, juicy booty looks sexy. Oh my God, I love this bike. Made it. All right, so we got the bike. Woo. We got Hawk. All right, Hawk. The moment everyone's been waiting for. Everyone's gonna ask, why did you trade in the 883 for this bad boy?
Because the 883, after a while, I was looking for some more power. You know, especially on the highway. I just didn't feel comfortable when I was on the 883 when it came to taking a longer trip, being able to ride with some of the guys like your bike and some of the other people. So I need to get a bike where I could actually get on the highway and feel like I could take a longer ride.
Yep.
The sitting position on the 883 just wasn't built for like getting on the highway.
Yep.
So you know, it just didn't have the power that I needed to get down the highway and feel comfortable. You know what I mean? So this bike does a lot of that, man. It does everything I need to do. So
heck yeah. I tried to tell y'all, man, in the review. Yeah, no, this thing's sweet, bro. Congrats. We about to go in here, Casa Cafe. Woo! Need some food real quick. Then we gonna hit it again. Ooh, we got the fajitas out, baby. What you get, Hawk? What is that? He's slacking me. I got the fajitas. I went all out. You already know, baby. The games. The games. Finished up with lunch at Costa Cafe. That was fire. That was a good fun, Hawk. Like, cops treat Harley riders different than they treat sport bike riders. Hawk a real rider, man. Woo! Little Bernie, I'm away. I met Hawk out here wilding. Just flew past that cop. Let's see if he's coming. We're about to get it rolling if he's coming. How y'all doing? Good, good, good. I'll get here wilder now, baby. I ain't never seen hot light like this.